Suitability of coconut shells as sustainable alternatives for coarse aggregate, an experimental analysis. By Sanjay Kumar Verma, Sagar Shrivastava, and Shruti Shrivastava. The purpose of this research is to disseminate awareness of using coconut shells as a partial replacement of coarse aggregate in concrete and determine its compressive strength. Concrete is the second most consumed substance in the world after water. Concrete is a premier construction material consisting of natural aggregate. Due to rapid industrialization and construction in developing countries like India, natural resources are depleting constantly. A search for alternative materials for making concrete is a prime need in the present scenario. Environmental issues, restrictions on local and natural access or sources and disposal of waste material are gaining great importance. Coarse aggregate is a major ingredient for making concrete for various types of construction works, including infrastructure development, low and high-rise buildings, and domestic developments. It occupies about 65 to 80% part of concrete. Coconut shell is a waste generated by industrial and agricultural processes and has created disposal and management problems that pose serious issues of environmental pollution. The waste coconut shell may be utilized to replace natural coarse aggregate. In the present study, the compressive strength of concrete of M20 grades has been studied by replacing natural coarse aggregates at 0%, 5%, 10%, 20%, and 30% by weight with coconut shell. The compressive strength of coconut shell concrete has been evaluated on 7, 14, 21, and 28 days. The compressive strength of coconut shell concrete was reduced as percentage replacement increased. Concrete mixtures were tested and compared in terms of the compressive strength of the conventional concrete. The findings of the study indicate that lightweight concrete can be made using coconut shell concrete, CSC. In addition to being economical and environmentally beneficial, using coconut shell as an aggregate substitute can assist address the issue of conventional material shortages, particularly about coarse aggregate. Utilizing these materials also lessens the issue of garbage disposal. Coconut shell strength qualities can be analyzed using impact value, crushing value, and other experimental methods. The surface connection between the steel and the coconut shell aggregates becomes important when utilizing CSC with reinforcement.